There is some houseproofing to be done when you're getting a cat or a kitten. The most important thing you should know is that cats really do like strings and do like tiny little foreign objects and will sometimes ingest things that they should not, like a yarn or a string or a dental floss. Dental floss is terrible. When cats ingest these, they usually do it because they start playing with them, and then they get caught in their teeth or under their tongue, and then they start to inevitably swallow whatever it was that they're trying to get rid of, because that's the easiest way for them to get rid of it. And unfortunately, it does tend to make a little accordion out of their bowels, and that's a problem.
If your cat likes tuna, your cat can have tuna out of the can. You want to choose, again, the tuna in water or tuna that you've cooked with no spices. Chicken is fine for your cat to have as a treat with no skin on the chicken and no bones, and use white meat chicken with no spices and no oils and no butter. So keep those things low fat and low salt. And remember, the size of your cat's stomach is very, very small. You want to break those treats up to about the quarter of the size of a dime.
Now, cats are specifically susceptible to certain kinds of diseases. We see a lot of periodontal disease, just as we see in dogs. We see heart disease in particular, and we also see a tremendous number of infectious diseases. Infectious diseases in cats are probably the primary problem that we see because so many cats are left outdoors. One of the most important things for ensuring your cat's health and safety is to keep your kitty cat inside.
So why do cats spray? They spray, first of all, because they're marking territory. If there's a cat outside that they see, they're likely to spray in your home to let that cat know that this is where I live and that you can't come in my area. They also spray for sexual reasons, so if your cat is not neutered and he's spraying in your house, now is the time to get him neutered. They also spray because they're anxious, because something in the environment is not right. Whether that be that there are too many cats in your household for this cat to adjust to, or whether the litter box environment is not right. All those things can cause anxiety and cause a cat to spray in your home.
The animal still has a heart rate. The first thing that you're going to do is pull the tongue past the canines. You're going to create a seal after you've swept the mouth for anything obstructing the airway. Create a seal with your hands, and you're going to give 2 slow breaths through the snout. Look for the rise and fall of the chest to make sure that the air is going in. Make sure that you're not trying to put too much air into the animal, especially if they're very small.
Make sure that the litter box is secure. Make sure that your litter box is in a private area. The cat will need some place that's relatively quiet, low traffic, in and out of the room, and that'll encourage them to use the litter box. Your litter there's a lot of different kinds of litter out there. One of the things to look for is a no silica or low silica formula, because silica gets into the air. If you have any kind of upper respiratory problem, asthma, breathing difficulties, silica can enter your bronchial tubes and aggravate that. So you want to make sure that the litter itself is low silica or no silica. It also sticks to your air conditioner coils and heating coils and causes you to have to clean those more often.